The woman arrested in connection with the murder of a former state senator's son going before a judge today.
And the victim was found shot to death last month. You may remember that story. Local 10 News reporter Annalise Garcia is live in Miami with what happened in court. Annalise.
Christy, Janice, today in court, LaCoria, Washington was arraigned on a second-degree murder charge. Now, the family of the victim was hoping for a first-degree murder charge. The assistant state attorney explained to them after that they were unable to bring the case in front of a grand jury for that first-degree murder charge before today. So in order to keep Washington behind bars, they did what they could and charged her with second-degree murder. Former Senator Daphne Campbell and her family in court today seeing her son's alleged killer for the first time. Campbell broke down in tears the moment the case was called. 24-year-old LaCoria, Washington is facing second-degree murder amongst other charges for the death of 23-year-old Jason Campbell.
Apparently, it was very premeditated what she did, the way that she executed the crime that she committed.
It was June 1st of this year. Investigators say Washington went to a woman's apartment at the Monte Carlo condos in northwest Miami-Dade. Investigators say Washington is accused of walking inside with a gun. After the female resident ran for cover, she then heard a gunshot. Jason Campbell, a father of 3, was later found suffering from a gunshot wound. He died at the scene. U.S. Marshals tracking down 24-year-old Washington in Port Orange, and now she's sitting behind bars.
They charged her today, but still intend to seek higher charges.
The family and friends of Daphne Campbell telling us about an initiative they have begun against gun violence so people come forward if they know something.
You know, if you see something, say something. People who have guns and committing crimes, they speak to someone. They don't just do it in isolation. If you're not a part of the crime, you're not snitching.
As for the defendant, right now she's being held with no bond. The case is going in front of the grand jury for that first-degree murder charge sometime in September, so we'll have to see where it goes from there. For now, I'm live in Miami. Annalise Garcia, Local 10 News.